Hey, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands, and if you're stopping by, that means you're interested in one of our fantastic products, so I'm not going to waste your time. Get right into it. Today, we are going to be talking about the Baller, which is a beautiful ring coming in our custom wood grain box that you know something good will be inside when it arrives at your door, which will hopefully be soon. Inside, welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. It's like a postcard, except there are much more useful things inside instead of crappy pictures. Our customer service, if you have burning questions about the universe or your product, and those beautiful pictures about things on social media. Check those out, check us out, and if you love your ring, post some pictures, show it off. Inside, the Baller. It is a beautiful black plated tungsten. It's got a matte finish and some shiny beveled sides. As you can see, that slipped onto my hand perfectly, and for good reason. That is because I got the ring sizes. So I'm going to treat you to a double unboxing video today. Hit me! Shit. So, Manly Bands ring sizer. This is for US sizes 5 to 17. When you order this and buy it, then we'll give you 20% off of your ring purchase. Go ahead and set that right there. So, if you have any type of a human finger, chances are is that it'll fit right onto these fancy ring sleeves, ringlets, shall we say. And if it doesn't, we fit up to size 25. So if you got a problem fitting your finger into one of these, give us a call and we'll make sure that custom ring gets to you. No problem at all. So double unboxing video, boom. Inside also, we have our black silicone band that's included with your purchase. And if you're wearing the Baller, it's a perfect substitute. Let me get that in front of the finger. Because they are extremely similar looking. In the box as well, we've got some promotional materials, including yet another 20% discount for Rosie Ray, our sister site, for you ladies looking for a completely unique ring, and some other promotional materials as they become available. So, ring sizer, get your 20% off, and in the meantime, check out the Baller on manlybands.com.